The house is still. No alarm clock rings, no fan sound, no light. Emma opens her eyes slowly. She waits for the usual noise. Nothing comes. The room feels different today. Emma sits up and looks around. The ceiling fan is not moving. The digital clock is dark. She presses the light switch. Click. Nothing happens. She presses it again. Still nothing. Emma understands. There's no electricity.
There's no electricity,
she whispers. She stands up and walks to the window. Soft morning light enters the room. The sky is pale. The street is quiet. No engine sounds, no television noise from neighbors. Only silence. Emma breathes deeply. It feels strange, but calm. She walks into the hallway. "Jamie?" she calls gently. "In the kitchen," he answers. Emma enters the kitchen. Jamie stands near the window, rolling up his sleeves. "The power is gone," he says. Emma nods. "I noticed. The coffee machine is silent. The toaster is cold." Jamie smiles. Well, he says. "Looks like a slow morning." Emma sits at the table. "No rush," she repeats softly. Jamie pours water from a jug into cups. "At least we have water," he says. They sit together quietly. No background noise, no machines humming, just two people sitting in the morning light. Footsteps appear. David walks in, still sleepy. "Why is it so quiet?" he asks. "Because the electricity is sleeping," Jamie says. David blinks. "Electricity sleeps?" Emma smiles. "Sometimes," she says. Lucy enters next, holding her stuffed animal. "Can I turn on the lights?" she asks. "Not today," Emma replies gently. "Today we use sunlight." Lucy looks around. "The sun is bright," she says happily. They eat a simple breakfast. Bread, jam, milk. No warm toast, no electric kettle, but no one complains. David sits back in his chair. "There's nothing to watch," he says. Jamie looks at him. "Then look at us," he replies. David laughs. After breakfast, Emma washes dishes by hand. The water feels cool on her skin. She hears birds outside. Clear, loud. She pauses. "They're so noisy today," she says.
They're so noisy today.
Jamie listens. "They were always noisy," he says. "We just didn't hear them before." A knock comes to the door. Emma opens it. Olivia stands there, smiling. "Good morning," she says. "No power anywhere." Emma steps aside. "Come in." Olivia looks around. "It feels peaceful," she says, "like time slowed down." They sit together. Lucy colors on paper near the window. David builds a tower with blocks. Jamie leans back in his chair. "No emails," he says. "No machines." Emma nods. It feels human.
It's beautiful.
They decide to go outside. The street looks different. Shops are closed. Traffic is quiet. Neighbors stand outside talking. Some sit on steps. Some sweep their yards. Children run freely. Emma smiles. This feels like another time, she says. Olivia agrees. When people had time, she replies. They walk slowly. No destination, no hurry. David kicks a small stone along the road. Lucy skips beside Emma. Jamie walks with his hands in his pockets. The air feels fresh. They pass a small park. People sit on benches. Someone plays a guitar. The sound fills the air. Natural, soft. Emma closes her eyes for a moment. I forgot how sound feels, she says. Olivia nods. When it's not mixed with noise, she replies. They sit under a tree. Lucy lies on the grass. The clouds are moving, she says. David looks up. They're slow, he says. Jamie smiles. Like today. Time passes gently. No one checks clocks. No one asks, what time is it? They talk. They listen. Emma shares stories from her childhood. Olivia laughs and adds her own. Jamie listens quietly. David asks questions. Lucy hums softly. Later they've returned home. The house is still without power, but it feels warm. Emma opens windows. Sunlight fills every corner. She sweeps the floor slowly. No machine noise, just movement. Olivia helps prepare lunch. They cut vegetables by hand. Jamie lights a small gas stove. Simple food, simple effort. They eat together. Talking, laughing. In the afternoon, David draws pictures. Lucy naps beside Emma. Jamie sits quietly, reading an old book. Olivia looks around. This morning gave us something, she says. Emma nods. Yes, she replies. It took something away, too. Olivia raises an eyebrow. What? The rush, Emma says. Later, the electricity comes back. Lights flicker on. The fan starts spinning. A soft hum fills the house. Emma looks at it. Then she turns it off. Jamie notices. Not yet? He asks. Emma smiles. Let's keep this a little longer. They sit together as evening arrives. The sky turns orange and blue. The house glows with natural light. Emma looks at her family, her friend, her home. This morning, she says softly, the electricity stopped. Jamie nods. But we didn't, he says. Emma smiles. We talked more, we listened more, we felt more. Lucy yawns. I like no electricity, she says sleepily. David nods. Me too. Olivia stands up. Sometimes, she says, darkness shows what light hides. Emma walks her to the door. Thank you for today, Emma says. Olivia smiles. Thank the silence. When night falls, the lights are on again, but the house feels different, calmer, closer. Emma turns off the main light. They sit in soft lamp glow. One morning without electricity, Emma says, gave me something important. Jamie squeezes her hand. Presence, he says. Emma nods. Life does not live in wires. Life lives in moments, in voices, in stillness. Sometimes when power goes away, we finally connect.